Wagwan guys, we are back with another delicious drink. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make my beetroot juice for my Sunday dinner. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is what I have for my juice. I'm going to be making pineapple, mango, beetroot, and ginger with some lemon for my Sunday dinner drink. I'm going to start by cutting my pineapple. So now these two ingredients, ginger and beetroot, are the main ingredients I want to talk about in this drink, because beetroot and ginger both works to help with digestion and also lowers blood pressure. We're gonna add some freshly squeezed lemon in it. This really boosts the flavor and also sweeten with our white sugar. Wow, this is looking so rich, and you can smell the ginger so strong and nicely in it. So this is what my drink is looking like so far, and it's very thick and rich, but I just want to strain it one more time just for it to be very smooth. Alright guys, my drink is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.